GoMining reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're exploring cryptocurrency mining, GoMining might have come up as a potential platform, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's a guaranteed profit machine. The surprising truth is that GoMining offers cloud mining services where pricing, mining power, and profitability vary significantly. Plans on GoMining typically start around per month for small mining packages, while larger plans with higher hash rates can cost several $100s monthly. The platform charges upfront fees or monthly subscription rates depending on the plan. Keep in mind that mining profitability depends on cryptocurrency prices, network difficulty, and electricity costs. What you get: access to cloud mining hardware without the need to buy or maintain your own equipment, potential cryptocurrency rewards, and a user-friendly dashboard to track performance. What you give up: upfront fees, subscription costs, and exposure to market volatility that can affect earnings. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Start with a small plan to test the platform. Step 2. Monitor mining returns closely and compare with your expenses. Step 3. Research cryptocurrency market trends to anticipate profitability. Step 4. Withdraw profits regularly other than reinvesting blindly. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore market fluctuations. Mining may become unprofitable, and fees can outweigh earnings. The surprising truth is that cloud mining is convenient but carries risk, and GoMining's pricing reflects both excess and potential rewards rather than guaranteed returns. In conclusion, GoMining provides a way to mine cryptocurrencies without hardware hassle, but understanding pricing, potential returns, and market risks is essential to getting real value for your money.